Look at her. Look at her, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with him. Ay, catch me in the whip, riding with him. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him. Pray you get that job in time, bro. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and afraid too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I.
Outside of things that a man can be done. Outside of things that would cause each other.
We finally all at breakfast together, y'all.
Yeah, so happy. I got the rancho cebollos. I give it like a 7 out of 10. Sydney got grits and bacon. Mama got the same meal as me. Pop got peach cobbler, French toast. Mason like 7 years old eating salmon like he a grown man. I don't know what everybody else got. But yeah, clearly eating good. Good eats.
Look how freaking pretty the water looks. Oh my gosh. It looks so beautiful today. It's so blue. The weather is so nice. Bye. He just keep popping up and disappearing. The weather would feel so nice on the last day.
I enjoyed this trip. Very well needed. Very. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, bro. I'm just glad to be here.
So freaking nice outside. I think we finna get suited up and finally get in the pool.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all that is needed is me on you. Only thing I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time.
I've been trying to get my hair wet.
Face up.
Cap in a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come, feel all that weight up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Yeah, wanna come cool. Play for keeps and I don't lose. You're more than love it, cause I'm cool as a breeze. So pick the poison, yeah, I got what you need. Nonchalant, got the green, I'm a patient all night. We gon' keep it psychedelic like a cat in a stem, pack a wave.
It's a hidden gem on the 5th floor. They got real deal barbecue. So I got some molasses, baked beans, some slow cooked pork butt, some rib tips, and some mac and cheese. The macaroni and cheese ain't really talking about nothing. It look good. It's just not good.
Mr. Rosin over here came in clutch. Letting me get a cluster of their crab legs.
Some of the stuff that my pops be eating, I would never even think to order. We got oysters. She just told it was seafood.
Talking about it was
and these crab legs. But it's the last day on the cruise. We enjoying ourselves. We are so glad all our family got to come on this trip, man. It's been a real live, happy trip. The whole trip. No arguing, no fighting. Just enjoying our life, you know? Like, how can you be mad when you can look outside and look at that? Impossible.
Just out here soaking up the sun. We enjoying the sun because we barely been able to get this since the trip started. So we soaking it all in. It feels so good. The sun is literally kissing me right now. It feels lovely. We actually waiting on Maxwell, little sister, to finally go on the splash and everything. All right, Sid went to go put on her bathing suit. You ready? You ready, babe? Let's go! I'm going up to the slide. I'm scared. Not. Which one y'all think I'm going on? I'm scared because we moving the boat right here. Bro, the wind is blowing real hard. Y'all next.
I'm in that orange ball.
Hey! What the heck?
Oh, dumb. Man, what the is this?
This is weird. Say hey, Sid.
That slide was just so weak, boy. 0 out of 10 don't recommend. That was hell no. Check. Come on, bro. Just hold it.
He got scratched.
I just got scratched like that. Scrape my whole title. Hell no, I'm not.
All right, y'all. We just finished with the water slides and stuff. Now we got our 57th ice cream cone. We just chilling on the deck.
Young boy, we on that 515.
This boy's so thirsty.
I'm so scared.
Why are you scared?
Don't be scared for me. I'm scared for them.
I'll be rooting for you.
did some slight damage. We lost by 1 point though. I ain't gonna lie to you. That slight weak.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all had lost.
Trying to run that back.
Y'all had a bunch of short.
But I'm saying, like,
Husband taking pictures of his wife. Look at the sunset.
Look at the going down. It's so beautiful.
So pretty. You said this made the trip?
yeah, because I want to hoop this whole time. Yeah, this made the trip, bro.
Well, you said it topped it off.
Definitely did.
How you doing, YouTube? We got the wind. It's blowing like a out here, and we having a good time.
Ain't you?
Yup. Court just got closed now, but you know what? We finna go find something else to do.
I was finna scream what you told me to say, but I ain't wanna do too much.
Oh yeah, step,
Tell them what you told me to say.
tell them more. Step the up. Stop playing. Get up. Get up. We finna go crazy. We only got one game in though, bro. You can't do too much with one game, bro.
Yeah.
But them niggas was out there hooping, but they was not trying to pass the ball.
Alright, my sushi came and it's what it's looking like. You wanna try one, babe? Right now we on our way to a beer pong tournament just to get out for the rest of the night since it's the last day. And then after that we going to a comedy show. And I think we're gonna try to go to that club we've been trying to get to there, right? So beer pong tournament, comedy club, and then the club after.
Does that count?
Hell no. No tricks. About to get sick. In and out was crazy. Look who we running to. Hey, family.
Hi, son. Where's my daughter?
Hey, grandma, she right there.
Go back to your selfie you took.
Talk this way. Walk this way. Talk this way.
Go back to your selfie,
You don't know
girl.
nothing about that, dude.
Not really, no.
Nobody's gonna pay attention. Come on, give me a kiss.
Mom, I don't think you've been on the vlog all day, so say hey.
Huh?
I said I don't think you've been on the vlog all day, so
No,
say
because
hey.
y'all I ain't been able to catch up with nobody.
You actually been taking selfies on this trip, girl.
Yeah, I know. I
And
never
good
took
Cute, girl. Oh, I'm sorry.
I like this one.
I like the other one better.
Look like I'm having fun.
It's like you trying to do a model pose or something. Just waiting on this comedy show to start down
Man,
there.
this man writing the whole skit out, and he's late, man. This man,
It's not 11 o'clock yet,
this
babe.
man better be hilarious. It started at 11.
Yeah.
I'm tripping. I thought it would start at 10:30. My bad, Mr. Comedy Man. But please don't take your time coming down here.
What time is it now? It should be starting soon. It's 10:56.
56. Here we go.
Courtney McGriffin. What is that? Good, DJ. What that motherfucker say right there? What? Give it Carnival Breeze family. Give it up one more time. Give it up for Courtney McGriffin, everybody. If you have a great show, say, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
We checking in, coming in from the comedy club, man. The comedy club was actually kind of funny, bro. They had a dude from Missouri. He had a feature movie on Amazon. He came out with some good energy. He was funny, bro. Low key, was he not?
Yeah, I usually don't be laughing with stand-up comedy, and he was actually pretty funny.
He was just hitting on like stuff that we already be thinking in our head. Like he had a joke about McDonald's being stingy with the sauces. That's obviously LOL funny. And then he had another joke just about like couples and relationships, how women be. I think there's him right here, right in front of us, low key.
That is, oh, that is him.
It is him.
I'm screaming.
Yeah, there's him right here, right in front of him. Check him out.
That's hilarious. I wonder if he just heard it.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
So he was just right in front of, we was just sitting there talking about this man, he right in front of, didn't even peep.
We at guest services right now. But yeah, it was pretty funny. It was short. It was only like 30 minutes.
30 minutes, but he got us laughing the whole 30 minutes. I ain't gonna lie, I was sitting there cracking up.
And I usually do not be laughing.
Like, yo, this girl been on me all trip. I don't even know her.
Cut it out.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga.